This is the worst reviewed seafood restaurant in Pasay City. Meron siyang 1.5 stars sa Google Maps. Hanep, ang daming ang negative reviews sa restaurant na to eh. Very expensive and the food is not good. Not recommended. I don't wanna go back. Mad face, mad face, mad face. Just cooking. We reached 1K. Nothing special. Garlic rice was burnt but they still serve it to us. Libre reviews like this eh pwede makasira ng isang restaurant. Kasi malay mo diba, mga haters lang to. Kaya pupuntahan ko na siya mismo para hindi mo na siya puntahan. Bro! First time kong kabahan sa episode ng worst reviewed pare sa kadahilan ng number 1. Karamihan ng mga nagre-reklamo, isa lang ang sinasabi nila. Overpriced as fuck! Number 2, pinost na mismo ni Dennis Padilla na kumain sila dito pre. Tapos yung bill nila, 37,000. At meron daw ditong mango shake na sobrang mahal. And number 3, tol, 2,000 lang yung dalaw ditong budget. Ready ka na bang kumain sa pinaka-overpriced daw na restaurant sa Pasay City?
For sure, let's go!
O nga pala, mag-i-English kami kasi kailangan naming mag-act na OFW. So, if you are hearing this, I am speaking into my British accent.
Let's go, lad.
Let's go, lads. Alright. Welcome pala sa the regular customer experience, kung saan low-key lang tayo para walang special treatment kasi naka-vlog. Let's go inside, mate. Are you hungry, mate? Yeah. We're gonna eat a lot. Oh, what's up? Table for 2. Is it okay if we sit over here? The menu. Okay. Thank you, thank you. We got oyster. You like oyster? Do you have some garlic buttered
Shrimp, sir.
shrimp and yeah?
Actually, sir, we have here mixed seafoods. Like this one, sir. This one is a butter garlic.
Oh.
We have some crab, shrimp, and also we have some scallops.
How much is this?
We just asked you how many crabs do you want to eat, sir. We have female and also we have some gay crab.
And can we get some shrimps too?
Yes, they have some shrimp. Also, they have some.
Oh,
scallops.
okay. You have a calamari.
Yes, sir. They have it.
Calamari.
Maybe I'm going to get a half kilo of calamari.
Okay. Can I get a mango juice?
We have your mango juice, but in can.
Okay.
Mango shake we have.
Mango shake, yeah. You like some mango shake?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, mango shake.
Dalawang mango shake.
And just 2 plain rice. I think that's all. Thank you. Hanep tol, upon looking at the menu, nagulat ako sa kanin nila pre. 99 pesos isa. Literal na paluto lang talaga. Ang sistema, bibili pa mismo yung restaurant sa mga fish dealer sa labas, which is iba pa yung presyo at nakadepende pa yun sa gusto mong kainin.
Here's the crab.
Wow! 2 pieces of crab, eh?
They have also lots of meat.
Yeah.
That one. And also the sweet for calamari. This
Yeah.
one is a quarter kilo.
Quarter kilo, okay.
And this one is a shrimp.
Whoa!
For the mixed seafoods for the crab.
Oh.
This one's a 1 kilo. Sir, that
Oh.
one is a price only for the seafoods. Not include the cooking fee.
The cooking fee, okay.
The cooking fee. Do you want to check all the bill first before we cook this one? Do you want to check first?
Ah, shit. Meeting alert, 2K lang dala ko. Tapos pumatak na agad ng 3K yung nabili pa lang sa labas. Parang ayoko na kumain sa laki ng babayaran ko. Pero sige, pa-compute na muna natin lahat. Malay mo, konti lang yung madagdag. Yeah.
Let me do. Just wait for a while.
Yes, thank you. Yeah. Okay.
Including the cooking fee, the drinks, and also the rice.
6,000.
Sir, we have some market, and then the drinks, and then service charge.
Okay.
And these are the cooking fees. It costs around 1 for 18 only.
Okay, let's do it.
Yung scientist and sir?
Yes.
Thank you.
Medyo weird lang sa akin na pinapapirman yung resibo. Siguro assurance na sumang-ayon kami sa pinakita nilang presyo.
Wait around 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay. 15 minutes. Thank you. While wandering around the place, may nakita akong nakapaskil na nagka-clarify na hindi isa ang may-ari ng wet market at ng restaurant. Magkahiwalay at magkaiba silang dalawa. Pero again, 6,000 plus ang inabot ng order namin. Wow!
Refreshing. Fucking refreshing.
Alam niyo ba kung magkano ang isang mango shake? 450.
Simula na ako mag-timer since naka-order na kami. Timer starts now. Okay. Bibigyan ko kayo ng konting insight sa sitwasyon ko ngayon. Medyo mahirap kumuha ng footage since kami lang yung customer ng mga sitwasyon na yun. May nauna sa amin pero umalis na din kinalaunan. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, hindi kami masyadong makakuha ng shots. Mga pasimple lang. Wow! Oh, look at that. Calamari, let's go. 15 minutes in 24 seconds. These guys, oh my goodness. So ito yung natanggap namin. Isang malaking bowl na pina-buttered garlic namin, tapos calamari, then rice at mango shake. Again, this cost us 6,000 plus. So far, ito yung worst reviewed episode na malaki yung ginastos natin.
Hey, there you go. Get some. This is it, mate. Look at this.
Ang sarap pre. As simple as it is, in-order namin yung buttered garlic na paluto. For me, ayun yung pinaka-basic na alam ng karamihan pagdating sa seafoods. Konting gisa lang ng garlic, tapos pag magba-brown na, lalagyan mo na ng butter. Again, butter hindi margarine. Malaki ang pinagkaiba ng dalawang yan. Tapos, ayun na yun. The secret of cooking seafood ay hindi ma-overcook. Since pangit pag parang goma na yung kinakain mo.
Only 1 cup of rice, please.
Cracker.
Oh, sure. Got some crackers. Crack that shit. Thank you. Look at that. Still lots of food in there. Sweet that butt. Bossy.
Kung sa tingin mo hindi ako masaya, happy kaya ako. Since hindi talaga ako makain ng seafood, especially ng hipon kasi may allergy ako sa hipon dati. Tol, look at that face. Maga talaga eh. Pero kinalaunan, bigla na lang nawala. Ang guidelines natin sa pag-rate ng mga mahal na pagkain ay simple lang. Number 1, portion size. Malaki ba? Number 2, the flavor. Masarap ba? And number 3, the quality of the product itself. Yung calamares, medyo overcooked siya. Kaya medyo rubbery yung squid. In terms of flavor naman, may pagka-crispy fry yung breading na ginamit. Overall, mga 7.5 out of 10. Masarap naman. Malasa yung sausawan. Yung mixed seafoods naman, good shit. In terms of portion size, decent naman yung laki ng crab and shrimp. Maliban sa scallops, medyo nalitan lang ako. Nag-enjoy naman kami ni Dab. Flavor-wise, andun naman yung hinahanap namin na lasa. Medyo midway nga lang nakakaumay. Kaya siguro mas magandang madami yung kakain ito. Another extra hand ba? 8 out of 10. The mango shake. Typical na mango shake lang siya actually. Alam mo yung sa Zagu? Parang ganun lang. 7 out of 10.
Where's the restaurant?
Okay guys, we have to be quiet kasi tol, restroom check. Uy, meron tayong mga mirrors dito. 2 mirrors tol. Nakakatakot dito pre kasi parang 2-way mirror. Paano ba siya malalaman na 2-way mirror tol? Basta ganyan siya pre, some trash cans parang tol. Tas ito mismo yung bowl. At syempre, tol, meron tayong bidet. Isa lang ang ibig sabihin nito tol. Bidet check. Quiet edition. Nice and strong overall guys. Malinis yung CR nila. Good job.
Siguro isang oras namin dito sa restaurant at hindi pa namin talaga maubos. Wow, ang daming nakalagay pre. Sobrang daming nakalagay. And I think this food is enough for 4 to 5 people. Depende sa gutom. Ako kanina gutom ako pero hindi ko pa rin maubos pre. Isa't kalahating kanin pa lang nakakain ko. And shit, sobrang busog ako pre. Excuse me, can I have the bill? The bill please. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, 6,323. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you.
Sa overall experience namin, siguro nag-expect lang ako na sobra. Since 6K is a lot of money. Yung mango shake, 180 isa na lang ngayon. Sabi kasi ni Uncle Dennis, 450 noon. Kudos sa staff kasi in-explain nila lahat sa amin yung mga bagay-bagay bago kami makapag-order. And bantay sarado ka talaga pag may need ka. Chill lang naman yung ambience ng resto, pero pag lilingon ka, minsan parang nakatitig lahat ng staff eh. Pero these certain places exist because of certain people na tinatawag nating target market. Sa paglalakad namin, puro foreigners foreigners ang mga tao na nakakasalubong namin na palabas-masok sa area na to. Isa din sa rason na ganun kamahal na bill ay ang tinatawag nating suppliers. I mean mukhang iba presyuhan nila sa wet market na to kaya ganun. Singit ko lang, nung on the way kami sa wet market to nag-i-English kami, pinag-aagawan kami ng mga stalls na bumili sa kanila. Tapos nung pagbalik namin na nagtatagalog na kami, wala na isang gustong kumausap sa amin. Eh may pambili naman kami. Maybe Uncle Dennis didn't get the memo. Pwede at his own end nagkamali sila sa hindi pag-alam ng sistema nila or nung mga panahon na yun hindi sa kanila na-explain ng staff. Pero ano ba ang kailangan natin i-consider? Pag nasa bago tayong place na unaware tayo sa mga presyo, ask for the price first sa mga pagkain nila. Magtanong muna. Wala namang masama sa pagtatanong. Hindi ka naman magiging cheap pag nagtanong ka muna ng price. Ang tawag doon, pagiging wise. Eto lang naman ang masasabi ko. Check the price first. Pagkakain kayo dito, sketchy na CR nyo, Lods. 2 stars.
And that's it for this video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And shoutout kay EJ Paul at kay Send Noodles. Every week meron 2 subscriber na sino-shoutout. All you need to do is comment down below. Channel, The Restaurant Reviewer. Tol, follow mo ako sa IG para malaman mo kung bakit hindi ako nakakapag-upload. Pre, para malaman yung mga behind the scenes na nangyayari sa buhay ko. Maliban sa mga trip ko dito sa vlog. Pare, alam ko, nagtatakatol kung nasan ako, tol. Asan ako, tol? Dito mo, tol. Dito mo, tol. Tol, ito pa yung tinatawag nilang Diwata Pares. Uy. Mic check 1 2 3. This is the mic test of the world.
Perfect.